You're gonna have to be pretty small to jump in there, aren't you?
No.
Yeah.
What are you talking?
Can you hold that, Cece? Can you hold that chair in, Shelley? Alright. So go to the middle. You have to jump in. Are you gonna jump in or just stand and I'll start to swing it around you?
Playground physics.
I don't know.
Oh, I think it's better to see it and then go.
Can you see it?
Now it is.
Jump rope.
Go. Go. What about the needle?
Do it. Still moving.
Still moving. Still moving. Right? Did her human body block that magnetic field? Right? Did it block? Okay, so it didn't block the magnetic field. It didn't stop the current flowing. So here we are, walking all the time through this magnetic field. All I have to. So how come somebody hasn't figured out how to use the magnetic field of the Earth to generate electricity? We're moving, right? I mean, couldn't we? Anyway.
It's too massive.
It's too massive. My answer is I think we are lazy.
Before you unhook that, before you
You're
unhook
going to
that,
get a Nobel Prize.
before you unhook that,
You're
can
gonna have
can we
all
see,
the fun.
can we see,
Yeah.
You figure it out. You're gonna figure it out.
Yeah.
can we